Alright, say your name.
My name is Solomon. Ready? Isaiah. Judah. That's my
Dude, get in the picture. Isaiah, you being a dingaling right now. Get over there. Wow. I'm doing video, dude, and you acting cuckoo. Alright, so what's good going on in your life right now? Starting from the top down.
Run.
You're not the top.
When we went to Canada and went to that amusement park.
That was last summer. This is recent.
When I went fishing.
Next.
Did you take us somewhere? Well, we went to the beach.
Next.
Where we went to teas. I forgot.
Next.
We went to the beach and you went to the beach and I already said I was going down the water and then I was about to drown. No, you wasn't. Yes, he was. And I was about to die. No, you wasn't.
Surprised nobody said anything about baseball. Oh well.